Most machines of superior quality are not restricted to manufacturing just one format. Take this rack wheel press, for example. Format changes are required here as well, as soon as another wheel type is required. Many machines still use hand wheels to do this, but this has some serious disadvantages. As soon as the new format is requested, production halts and everything waits for the specialist to complete the conversion. Turning hand wheels, and there may be dozens of these for each machine, is a time-consuming business, but production can only begin again when all the adjustments have been made. And importantly, not every employee in production adjusts the machine to precisely the same new position. For over 15 years, HALSTRUP WALCHER has been a specialist in the automation of format changes. The company aims to optimize this method of converting machinery. Its aim is for machines to continue production when the new format is requested, without compromising precision or quality. The engineers will now automate the rack wheel press using the PSE positioning system from HALSTRUP WALCHER. Let's take a closer look at the work of the developers of these machines. This component is now obsolete. From now on, the machine will be converted professionally and automatically. The hollow shaft makes it easy to adapt the PSE positioning system mechanically to the spindle. A torque support keeps the positioning system firmly in place even while it is rotating. Not only the mechanical engineer requires easy integration, also the automation engineer comes up with reasonable requirements. When selecting the positioning system, it was important for us that the motor and motor control units should have separate power supplies with galvanic separation.
Gerade falls es einmal einen Motorfehler oder
If there is a motor defect or emergency stop, the last thing we want is for the control unit to be incapable of receiving information about the problem. In practice, it is vital that the cabling can be completed quickly and with zero errors. What I also like is the option for setting the bus address in the hardware itself. This is the quickest way to integrate the device into the control system, not only before it is used for the first time, but also when installing replacement units. This series of machines is now being automated for the American market, so we are equipping it with Ethernet IP bus communication, and we apply a Rockwell PLC as control unit. First, I created the tree structure with all the bus devices. The control system now automatically recognizes the addresses I set before on the positioning system. Next, I can set the optimum parameters for this machine quite easily, using the parameter software. For example, my torque must not exceed 3 Newton meters. If the torque is too high, the PSE will be able to detect whether the cause is a blockage or dirt on the spindle. This is extremely relevant in practice because the machine must be stopped immediately if there is a blockage, but accelerated if there is dirt on the spindle. For engineers, it is extremely important to be able to adapt quickly to different customer requirements, both in terms of design and bus communication. The PSE positioning system from HALSTRUP WALCHER offers the best possible support. And it goes without saying that format changes to the machine are completed extremely quickly and at impressive precision.